Okay, let's do one exercise on center of gravity. We have a vessel with total length of 120 meters, has displacement of 200 tons, 20,000 tons, with kg of 5 meters, transversal gravity of 0. Our vessel is balanced, stable, and longitudinal center of gravity 2 meters to the aft of the midship. So this is our vessel at the initial condition. Now we want to find new center of gravity if following cargo operation has been done. You are going to load 100 tons of cargo at a height of 8 meters, 2 meters to the port, and 50 meters aft of the midship. Another cargo 200 tons at a height of 7 meters, 5 meters to starboard, and 20 meters forward of the midship. And you are going to discharging 100 tons of cargo from height of 5 meters, 4 meters to the port, and 20 meters forward of the midship. Let's review to practice. Before start anything, we have to consider about which side we want to mention as a positive and negative. All the time, draw simple sketch for yourself. Draw a vessel. This is the kill point, and this is the vessel. Notice this is a starboard side, port side, aft, and forward. Which side you want to consider as a plus and minus? I'm going to consider a starboard side as a plus, port side as a minus, aft side as a plus, and forward as a minus. That means anything is in the starboard, I'm going to consider the distance as a plus. Anything in the port, I'm going to consider as a minus. Anything is in the aft, I'm going to consider the distance as a plus, and anything in the forward, I'm going to consider the distance as a negative. So we are going to prepare the table. The first one is weight. The next one is kg, vertical moment. Next one is transversal center of gravity. Next one is transversal moment. Next one is longitudinal center of gravity. And the next one is longitudinal moment. Now we are going to bring the information what we have by calculating. Weight of the vessel was 20,000. We are going to add 100 tons and adding another cargo of 200 tons, and we were discharging a cargo of 100. So it said anytime you are going to remove a cargo, you are going to mention it as a minus. So total final weight will be 200 tons. This is our final displacement. Now we are going to bring the kg for each one. For our vessel at the beginning was 5 meters. The 100 tons cargo, we're going to put it at 8 meters. 200 one was at 7 meters, and the discharge cargo was in 5 meters height. Transversal center of gravity for our vessel at the beginning, while the vessel was stable, was 0. For the next one was 2 meters on the port, so we are going to mention -2. For the next one was 5 meters to the starboard, we are going to calculate 5. For the next one was 4 meters to the port, again -4. Longitudinal center of gravity, our vessel was 2 meters to aft, was +2. We're doing 50 meters to the aft is 50, 20 meters to the forward -3, and again the cargo was removed from 20 meters to forward will be -20. Now we are going to calculate the moments. So just times kg to weight, kg to weight, kg to weight, kg to weight, and we will have vertical moment. So the vertical moments will be 100,000, 800, 1400, and -500. Sum of vertical moment will be 101, 700. Transversal moment, the first one will be 0, next one -200, -2 times 100, the next one 5 times 200 will be 1000, the next one -4 times -100 will be 400, and the sum of them will be 1200. Longitudinal moment, 2 meters times 20,000 will be 40,000. 50 times 100 will be 5,000. -20 times 200 will be -4,000. And -20 times -100 will be 2,000. Sum will be 43,000. Now we are going for calculating kg. Will be vertical over displacement, which is 101,700 over 20,200 will be 5.03 meters, around that one. So this is the height of center of gravity. Transversal center of gravity will be transversal moment to over displacement will be 1,200 over 20,200 will be 0.06 meters. And let's remember, now the transversal center of gravity is plus, and we were considering starboard as a plus. Thus our transversal or center of gravity will be in the starboard side. Longitudinal center of gravity will be longitudinal moment over displacement will be 43,000 over 20,200 will be 2.13 meters. Again, while this is the plus and we were considering aft side as a plus, this will be in the aft. So we're mentioning the aft, and this was in the starboard. And that is how you're going to find exact position of center of gravity.